As the saying goes, don't cry over burnt toast. Wait, is that even how it goes?
Absolutely not. Don't cry over spilled milk.
Okay, well anyways, we are adding a secret ingredient to Salsa Verde today. Can you guess what it is? Hint, it's not milk. We are making lamb chops with a burnt bread Salsa Verde. I know it's weird to add burnt bread to anything, but trust me on this. It is going to intensify and deepen the flavors of our Salsa Verde. First thing we gotta do for this recipe is grill that bread. I've got my outdoor grill preheated to high, and I've got a 1/2 inch thick slice of rustic boule. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna brush this with olive oil, and that is gonna help the bread char nicely on the grill. After I grilled the bread, I let it cool for 5 minutes just so it's easier to handle. And now we're gonna make that burnt bread Salsa Verde. We need to either tear or chop this bread so that it's easier for the processor to break it down. All you Gen Zers out there, you love it. It doesn't have to be super tiny. I think that looks good. Let's put the lid on, and we're gonna process this until it's a fine crumb. And you want it to look like these really, really dark fine breadcrumbs. Now it's time to turn this into a Salsa Verde. So we need some stuff that's green. So we've got 1 cup of lightly packed parsley leaves. I'm gonna go ahead and add that to the food processor. Got another something green, 1 cup of lightly packed baby arugula. And we're gonna add a lot of flavor here. We are adding 1 tablespoon of drained capers. Just gonna scoop them right out of the jar here. And maybe another little teaspoon. Make sure it's delicious. We need 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, and last but very important, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of water. Because at this point, we don't have a lot of liquid in there, so we need that to sort of help turn it into a paste. So let's pop that top on and let's process. Okay, this is what you're looking for at this point, because we're gonna process it further while we drizzle in some olive oil. And voila, we have Salsa Verde. But not just any Salsa Verde, burnt bread Salsa Verde. We're gonna pour this into a bowl. Check out the color of the Salsa Verde, but not just the color, check out the body. Okay, let's season it with salt and pepper. A little sprinkle, give it a mix. I'm already smiling, and I haven't even grilled the lamb yet. 16 lamb rib chops ready to hit that grill, but first, we're gonna season them with some salt and pepper. Give these a flip, and then we're gonna season the other side as well. All right, meet me outside. Here we go! Beautiful looking lamb chops. I think I don't want just 1 or 2, I want 3. And if the lamb wasn't good enough, we've got that incredible burnt bread Salsa Verde. Time to give this lamb a try. That is delicious. It is so bright, it is so flavorful. You taste all of those herbs, you taste those capers, you get a little bit of heat from those crushed red peppers, but the secret is really that burnt bread in that salsa. It just deepens it and intensifies the flavor. It's actually so freaking good. It's so dang good.